From now on, the Matrix42 software can also be directly extended with 3D QR augmented reality representations, which display information and work instructions directly at the right place in the real environment. This results in a significant reduction of errors and greater transparency when performing technical work. It also empowers end users to solve considerably more problems themselves, which leads to a noticeable reduction in the workload of technical support. In this video, we look at the example of a malfunction on an office printer. An employee has detected the malfunction and needs technical support. Thanks to Matrix42, he has the option of scanning a QR code on the printer with his smartphone or tablet, and thus creating a suitable support ticket within a few seconds. Thanks to augmented reality, however, the user now has intuitively understandable instructions immediately at his disposal, which he can use to solve the problem on his own and transparently document the solution. To do this, he simply clicks on Show AR Hints in the ticket view. In the following camera view, he is prompted to scan the QR code on the printer again to now see the AR content provided by 3D QR. He then sees, for example, various possible causes of errors. He can move from hint to hint, check them, and select whether it applies to his problem. By displaying the hints directly in the right place, they become very easy to understand. Optionally, each hint can be supplemented with pictures, videos, or even 3D animations in order to present complex instructions. After checking all hints, the user answers whether he was able to solve the problem, and thus switches back to the view of his ticket in the web interface. If he has indicated that his issue has been solved, the ticket is automatically set to completed. The printer is immediately ready for use again, and the support job has been saved. If there is a need for a technician at a later point, the actions that the user has already taken are transparently documented. Similar to the printer shown in the example, different types of information and instructions can also be easily integrated in augmented reality in many other scenarios. This works for a wide range of applications, from small office equipment to large industrial plants. Thanks to the patented 3D QR technology, the creation and placement of new instructions for new scenarios is also very easy and can be done in a few minutes directly on a smartphone or tablet. A QR code is all that is needed. Time-consuming scanning or machine learning is not necessary.